it's Jessica. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a testing video. So I'm going to be testing the new Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. This recently came out. It's out online. It's out in Ulta, I believe, but not anywhere else, and it's coming out most places later this week. So I went to Ulta today and bought it. I haven't tried it yet. I just wanted to like try it and like test it in front of you guys on camera so I can show you guys like what I think about it, because it's pretty expensive. It's $40 and I was kind of nervous about spending $40 on a foundation, so I want to tell you guys like what I think about it, if I think it's worth $40. And they also have two different kinds. They have matte and they have hydrating, and I don't know which kind I'm gonna like better, but I got both. This is actually my friend's. She got the hydrating, I got the matte. We're pretty close to the same skin tone, so I'm just borrowing hers for this video to see if I like it better. And yeah, so I'm just going to be trying both of these out and seeing which one I like better, if I like them at all. I have the Shape Tape Concealer, which I got like a month ago, and I absolutely love it. So I have pretty high expectations for this, and I really hope it's good, and I'm very excited to try it out. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to try I'm going to do like one on like each half of my face, I think, just so you can kind of like compare them that way. I'm going to do the matte one first, since this is the one that like is actually mine. I have it in the shade Fair Neutral. The like applicator looks really similar to what the concealer is, which I like. There's a lot in here, which is good. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of like, I don't know how much of this to like put on, like a little bit like that. So now I just have a little brush. I'm just gonna like okay, so I think it might be a little bit lighter than my skin tone. Like a little bit lighter. It looks a little bit darker when I did it in the store. Okay, I don't know if I give myself enough of it. Okay, so it blends really nicely, which I really like. I feel like a lot of foundations are kind of hard to like blend in, but this seems to be doing a pretty good job. It seems to have pretty good coverage, I think. There's obviously a couple of spots that I need to touch up with like concealer, but I think overall I really like it. It doesn't look like really cakey or anything, which I like. It seems kind of like natural looking. I think it is definitely a plus. I think it might be a little bit lighter than my skin tone, which might be an issue in the summer. I was trying to get one that was a little bit darker so it could work for both. But I mean, I like it a lot actually. I think it's good. Definitely a fan. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the other one. This is the Hydrating in Porcelain, which this one I think is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, because my friend has a little bit lighter skin tone than me. So we'll see if this works. And this definitely looks a little bit more like yellow tone. So you can probably tell. So we're gonna try this one. Okay, this one definitely is lighter coverage than the matte. It's like blending a little bit easier. It's not as heavy, I don't think. Yeah, it's definitely got lighter coverage, but it blends in, I think, a little bit easier than the other one maybe. I would say those shades look pretty similar actually. This is a little bit, the hydrating one is a little bit more yellow tone, but I think that's just the shade. I definitely think the one that I got works with my skin tone a little bit better. I really like it a lot actually. I think they both look good. I'd say the difference probably between the hydrating and matte, in my opinion, is the hydrating is a little bit like lighter. It's definitely got a little bit of like moisturizer or something in it. It's definitely more like wet, and it blends a little bit easier, I think, Not that this is like hard to blend, it just blends like more and like flows on a little bit like lighter, and I think it's got a little bit of like lighter coverage, it looks like, than the matte does. But there's not like this, I don't think there's a huge difference between the two, but I definitely say if you have like tend to get like dry skin, then I'd probably do the hydrating, and if your skin does not tend to get super dry, probably do the matte. Okay, so I'm gonna put my concealer on over it and see how they look together. So this is the concealer that I have. It's in the shade Fair Beige. So that's it with the concealer. I really like it. I think it has really good coverage, but I feel like it's not like cakey, it's not super heavy. Yeah, I really like it a lot actually. I think it's got really good coverage. My face looks very like evenly toned, but yeah, I really like it. So I think I would definitely recommend this. They're good foundations. I'm really like it a lot. And one thing that I love about it is how easy it like blended on, because the foundation that I have right now is a little bit hard to like blend in, but I would say that this blends really nicely. Like usually like when I'm wearing foundation I can like feel the foundation, but like this is like really light and I feel like I can like breathe in it and it's not just like weighing my face down. And it was easy to apply, which is good because then it like I didn't have to like tug up my face as much as I normally do, which is definitely a plus. So yeah, definitely recommend. I really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, you should give this video a thumbs up for me. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, you should totally subscribe because I upload videos every single weekend. If you would like to see more videos like these, like testing out different products, let me know. And let me know what you would like to see me test. If you guys have any other video requests, please leave those in the comments as well. I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in a new video next weekend. Bye guys!